name is Brigette Dwyer, and I am doing my presentation on golabki. The history and culture. Golabki has two meanings. The name not only means the dish, but it also means dove or pigeon. This dish is not uncommon in many parts of the world. Stuffed cabbage dishes are very popular in the Czech Republic, Slovakia, Hungary, Russia, Germany, Sweden, Finland, and many other places. Golabki was said to be first served in the eastern borderlands, and it is uncertain whether this dish is fully Polish or if it was created because of Turkish, Armenian, or Jewish influences. History and culture continue. When is this dish served? It is typically served on holidays or special occasions, for example, Christmas, weddings, or family reunions. As stated before about the uncertainty of what culture this dish originated from, a dish similar to golabki are Jewish polishkis. Most people know this dish as stuffed cabbage. The nutrient composition. One roll is 312 calories. It has 24 grams of carbohydrates, 14 grams of fat, 24 grams of protein, 4 grams of dietary fiber, 449 milligrams of sodium, 106% of vitamin C, and 17% iron. Relationship to disease. I'll be focusing on cabbage for this. Cabbage is susceptible to a variety of diseases: fungi, water molds, bacteria, and viruses. Alternaria leaf spot. Alternaria causes disease when there is moisture in the cabbage. The cabbage will develop yellow spots that increase in size and eventually become holes. Bacterial soft rot. This can result in major losses in crops. It is one of the most damaging plant diseases in the world. Infected cabbage will turn brown and soft and possibly decay. This is caused by warm conditions. White mold. This becomes an issue in moist temperatures. This spreads from the stem down to the roots and up to the leaves. It'll wilt the plant and essentially collapse the plant. The website that I got this information from had also, I think, 14 other diseases that cabbage is susceptible to. I only highlighted this 3, though. Ingredients. You're going to need salt for boiling water, a whole cabbage head, and for the filling you need 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 large onion, chopped, 1 pound of ground beef, a half pound of ground pork, 1½ cups of cooked rice, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic, and 1 teaspoon of salt, as well as a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 cup beef stock, and 1 cup of sour cream, which will be used as a garnish. Agriculture. Cabbage grows in both the spring and fall, and is labeled as a cool season vegetable. Cabbage prefers cool temperatures, whereas more moist and humid temperatures can lead to disease, like I stated before. There are types of cabbage: Brassica oleracea, green, red, and Savoy. 78% of the nation's cabbage is produced in California, Wisconsin, New York, Florida, and Texas. In 2020, the total amount of harvested cabbage was 58,600 acres. That is a lot of cabbage. Preparation. First, collect the ingredients, then boil the water and remove the cabbage core. Place the cabbage in the boiling water and let it cook for 3 minutes until soft. Peel off about 18 leaves. And now make the filling. Cook onions and butter and add beef, pork, cooked rice, garlic, salt, and pepper until combined. Do not overmix. Assemble the rolls. Flatten the cabbage leaves and place 1/2 cup of the filling. Fold the leaf around the filling and heat the oven to 350 degrees. Pour beef stock over the rolls and place in the oven for an hour or until tender. And then, enjoy. This recipe is from spruceeats.com, and so is this picture. Tasting. I enjoy this dish a lot. It mostly just tastes kind of like meatloaf wrapped in lettuce. Like I said before, I'm not entirely sure if I've eaten this dish as a child, but to me currently it is a new dish. I enjoyed this and would definitely eat again. Here's an image up close. Comparison. My family is Polish, and my mom always felt that it was important to teach me about some aspects of Polish culture. As a kid, my mom would teach me little sayings, and we would eat traditional Polish foods. I refer to my family members in Polish, like, for example, I call my great aunt and uncle Chachi and Wojek. I am unsure if I ate this dish as a young child, but over spring break, my family decided to make the dish. I know a decent amount about the culture and traditions practiced in Poland because of my family, and I am happy that I do. Here are my references, and that is all.